bold Juna hinge is one of our latest shower door hinges. We're very excited to showcase this hinge. It has a standard glass to wall and glass to glass hinge. They're capable of holding loads of 50 kilos. They incorporate some fantastic covers to hide all the gubbins, including the wall screws and any screws between the glass plates. The system is tested to 100,000 cycles, which allows us to give it a 5-year warranty. I'll show you exactly how the system works. So we have these beautiful covers which are easily located onto the hinge. Now behind here you will see these 3 screws. These 3 screws now, this is Bold's patented adjustment, and it's infinitely adjustable to the millimetre, and it will allow you to manoeuvre the glass door 0 point to wherever you require and then just tighten up. We've also maintained the same screwdriver for all 3 points for the glass clamp and the adjustment, so you're not moving back and forth between different Allen keys and such. So Juna, as you can see, comes with the covers that can all be removed and placed back on. This allows a complete seamless design on the Juna hinge, so you won't see any of these location screws whatsoever, which allows for easy maintenance and cleaning and aesthetically gives a really nice finish.